Okay.
Howard and Kumar.
Harold.
Harold. Isn't that like they go to White Castle? Frog. Frog. Come here. Can you get him? Get the chipmunk? Get the chipmunk. Go get him. Frog. Where is it? Right here. Get him. What?
Yeah, I figured you were going to take you for that.
Taking a video. Stick. Oh yeah, I should be in the video.